Hi, this is Cellular Depot, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to soft factory reset your A-03S Samsung. Okay, gonna go ahead, go to setting. You have to lift it up a little bit, right there. Now go ahead, get to the main screen, find your setting, which is right here. You can also find it right there, but I prefer to use the app itself. So click on the setting. You're gonna have to scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, so scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the last part that says about phone. So click on there, scroll down to the bottom and find what says reset, which is the last part right there. So click on there. And then you're gonna have to click the last option that says factory data reset. Click on there and then click reset and then delete all. So go ahead and click on there and then the reset will start and the phone is gonna shut down for like 30 seconds and then turn back on again.
Between 30 and 50 dozen. 30 or 50 dozen? Oh, okay. We start with the water. So this is fresh cheese. You need us with some water. This is the big shot way right here. And I have salt and diamond. Who? Diamond is the food for these. Wow. 11 and a half pounds to start with.
So it looks like
Then we'll add some butter and sugar. Another 12 pounds of flour. Got it. Not your first rodeo, is it? No. The dough starts being carried by the hook. It's ready to go. And we shake it out. Where does it go? It goes into a dough box for how long? About an hour. Then we punch it in, and then it starts to come up again. This is one we punch, fold, put it back. Right. Punch. Yeah, how warm it is. What's that actually going for? 4.5 ounces. Boy, good. That is dead on. I say that's perfect. Thank you. I'm out. That was perfect. We'll put them on our metal pan. We're gonna put them in the metal proof box. It's gonna get about another 20 minutes. That's good. And then we're gonna roll them out. We'll press it over our finger. We want to fold it, roll up, turn it over, roll it out. That's good. And I put these in the metal proof box. And they go around 3. Yeah. Michael, if ever you replace this, I'm doesn't get any better. And what we have here is boneless ribeye, just a little bit frozen. You're gonna just pop it in the sleeve. I'm looking for like a 16th of an inch. You cut that so thin, there's only one side to it. Goes on the line going. Mix with a little bit of butter on the side. Always better with butter. And then we're just waiting for it to get to a point where we can break it up. Put a little salt on top, a little butter again. Mix it all together. And now I'm ready to put my provolone cheese. That's all she wrote. That's all she wrote. Whoa. Thank you. Thank you.
For this one?
Yeah, cheese, French fries on the meat, and then on a freshly baked roll. Kicker on that?
15 only.
China calls on the U.S. to stop selling weapons to Taiwan after a warning report says that America plans to ramp up weapons.
And there, my soft factory reset just done.
And U.S. President Donald Trump tariffs are back on after a federal court.
That's it for today. Bye bye.